A lot of what we do in this country is reactionary, and the markets are no different. So if you find yourself in between a break between some of the relationship content that you're seeing on social media, why don't you give me a couple of seconds of your time and I'm going to show you how to put together an order on Coinbase to take care of what's going to happen tomorrow with the stock market when the oil prices jump, and they will jump. We're going to do that right here, right now on the Ujamaa network. Social media is a blessing and a curse when it comes to educating yourself and being entertained. I like the fact that you can still educate people on what they need to know to make their lives better. Unfortunately, in times like this, when we have nations rising up against nations and their bombs is dropping everywhere, we may have some misgivings about what's going on, but understand those markets are still going to open up 6 a.m. Sunday morning for this oil market, and you want to be ready to take advantage of that. I want you to go ahead and look through some of my videos if you haven't set up a Coinbase account or any type of account where you can open up a futures contract, and you can do it without a whole bunch of rigmarole. If you haven't paid attention to this channel for a long time, or have this is your first time visiting it, make sure you check out those videos. We do everything from cryptocurrency exchanges to Charles Schwab's accounts, whatever you may use. You have to be in a position to take a little and turn it into a lot. And we're going to show you how to purchase a contract. We're going to do this the manual way. This is an easy way for you to try to get your feet wet and see if this is going to work for you. If you like what you see here, you go ahead and continue to learn with us by subscribing to this channel. Let's get into that right now. Now, right off rip, I want you guys to get over to your Coinbase page. And from the home side, what we're going to do is we're going to click on trade, and then we're going to click on futures. What we're looking for is the futures contract for oil. And I'll make sure I got that right because I think I clicked on derivatives and I wanted to get on futures. And from here, let's go ahead to those oil futures and fund your account. If you haven't done anything on this channel yet, make sure you get some money available to you. Now, you can use PayPal or set up your account, but it's going to take a little bit more time to do it that way. Make sure you're going through those videos and get some money on there. In a short term, I want you to be already ready. So get that done right now. To the vast majority of us Gen Xers and some millennials, we didn't have access like this when we were going to high school and college. We just didn't. With the advent of these exchanges, it doesn't take a whole lot of education to get involved in it, but you should have some education to stay profitable in it. Anybody can open up an account and throw some money around and hope to make something come back. But there is a skill in a trade that we try to at least introduce you to here on this channel so that you can be better positioned to make those kind of financial moves in your life. You should always contact a financial advisor when getting involved in these things and make sure you are using money that you have. Now, we're only going to be focusing on this manual trade tomorrow, and make sure you realize that the markets don't open on Monday for this particular trade. It's Sunday at 6 p.m. So right before the evening news, make sure you are ready to hit that buy order manually and watch that money grow. And if it grows to a point where you are ready to take it out, sell it. And we'll go through that live because I'm going to do this live tomorrow just to make sure this experiment that we're doing pans out. I want people to get used to understanding that, we can all eat, but if we're not informed and we're not educated and we're sitting around here looking at fight videos or whatever little comedy skits you want to look at, relationship stuff, and no knock against those content creators, but if you're trying to put some bread in your pocket, why not spend a couple of minutes doing this instead? Make sure you come back, check out the channel, see what's what. And remember, tomorrow those markets open at 6 p.m. It's March 1st, 6 p.m. Get back to Coinbase, come back here, and we'll do the trade live so you can see real time what happens. I'll talk to you then.